So.
Alright, well, this is Tyrone, y'all. Tyrone is stripped totally down. Like, this is what a truck looks like when you got it stripped on down. He's doing a great job, too. Yep, finally. I tell you, boy, you don't know how much stuff you got in your truck until you have to move out or something like this happens. So, oh man, Tyrone is stripped totally down. I don't even know who he is right now. This is not my boo. Like, he's really getting some serious surgery. I mean, serious freaking surgery. Yes. I mean, they stripping him down. So, yep, Tyrone, I guess I'll have to see you some other time, buddy. So this is where pretty much the damage is, like right in this corner. So he got to pretty much cut that out and put something right on back in there. Man. Yep, it sucks, but sister got to do what I got to do. So I got everything up off this truck, and it's time to move on to the next venture or journey. So, all right, Cabo, I'm so Look at my baby. My baby. No, please. Oh, no, Tyrone, don't leave me. Don't leave me, Tyrone, please. Don't leave me. Okay, well, I'm leaving you, but you know what I mean. I missed you. I lied to you. You lied to me and everything. Oh, baby. Why did you have to do it to me? Why?